Okay folks, so today I have the Govee floor lamp 2 right here. This is the follow-up to the previous floor lamp that Govee developed. It was a very good and popular smart lamp, and spoiler alert, the follow-up here is perhaps even better. Now, full disclosure, Govee did send me this lamp as a sample so that I could test it and record this video. And straight away, some of the standout features here include 16 million RGB colours, which allow you to completely change the mood of a room, and you have full flexibility in exactly how to do that. The Govee app, which I've already got downloaded and have been using here, is a fantastic bit of software that gives you full control. There are 60 inbuilt scenes ready to go straight away, and these are split across different categories. And the DIY mode goes even further, allowing you to truly customize the lighting display here. But if you just want to go ahead and use this as a standard ambient light, then you can certainly do so. You can of course pick from the solid colours, including warm white or cold white or anything in between. And it is dimmable as well, from nice bright accent lighting to a more soft ambient glow. Now what I would say is that the intention here is that the floor lamp 2 is there to enhance your room with the ambient lighting. It's not full room lighting, if that makes sense. But it is very powerful, and the slim modern design here fits neatly into corners. I do like the fact that lighting is on both the base and of course the vertical tube here, and both can be adjusted within the app. There is also a handy remote control which has a magnetic attachment onto the light, so you're not going to be losing that very quickly. And of course there is voice assistant compatibility here, for example through Google Assist or through Alexa. But the true intricate controls does come through the free Govee app. And apart from adjusting all the colours, the patterns and the brightness, you can use the app to set timers as well on this lamp. And wherever you are choosing to place your lamp, it is really going to enhance that space, whether that space be a living room, bedroom, gaming room maybe, or a home office. And even if you use this lamp for 6 hours every day, it is rated to last over 20 years. And another nice thing you can do with this floor lamp is enable music sync mode. Again, you can do this within the app, and once that's turned on, you can set up the lighting to match the beat of the ambient background music. So the slim profile design here, coupled with the power that this thing offers, along with the full customization available to you in terms of the RGB colours, the brightness and the timers, and the multiple ways of controlling this, for example through voice assistant, the app, the remote control, makes this a floor lamp that certainly has all the features you will ever need.